this is the Jindal chart. On daily, we can identify a 7-star PRD from here to here and here to here. This is a 7-star PRD, low volumes, AGFS as well, and it appears to be holding here currently. So if and it's on an uptrend, so all the things look positive for Jindal. So let's look at the 1 hour chart. The 1 hour chart is kind of interesting. It kind of did a breakdown. So if you see the daily chart, you can see that the low is 1025. It hasn't broken that low, but this is on 1 hour chart. You can see the contract chart. So this one's low is 1031. So ideally it was 1025. So one of the things that I noticed was in the 15-minute chart. Now it's been going sideways continuously, not actually going down but sideways. So if you see the 15-minute chart, you can see over here that on 1 hour, let's say 1 hour, it's attempted to break it. Now that happened today morning. It attempted to break it and then it came down, it hit that bottom, and then again it's almost somewhere in between. Okay, so if you come to this 15-minute chart, you can see that you will notice that there is something like this where you have it comes down. So we have a trend that's down, and then we have two peaks. Now these two peaks, if you draw a line, you see which is the common line is this one. If you draw that common line, you will notice that there is that peak, and from here to here we need to draw a retracement. So this is a retracement, and you will notice that this is a trap ratio. So it's breaking the trend line and it's breaking at the trap ratio, which means ideally the target is the Bollinger Band, which is 1032 would possibly be the target here. So and it would generally come until this point, which is 1049. So as you can see, if you were to look at it, it has gone above, it did not really go down, whatever. So it kind of got stuck here at this point, and then it started going down. So this is trap number one. Now when it came down, it came down, and I was not really sure whether it's going to go up or down. But what I generally do as part of trade is that I look at I look at trying to understand if this is going to break upwards, because generally traps are much faster. So the moment it breaks anything upwards, I tend to uh, just go about change directions. But then this was a trap, and it actually performed like a trap. It did go down, it did try to take support on the moving average, did not really work out. And then it just went down. It hit the target of 1032 and it went beyond. Now when it went beyond, it was a little panicky, but then I noticed that there are two 15-minute chart. Again, there are two at the same point. So I drew a line. Let's say we take this line from here to this point, right? And the last swing is here, so I'm just gonna draw another fib from here to this point. So I'm going to remove the earlier fib. So if you see this one has a target again at 1028. At 1028 it made a candle like this. Basically it means it reverses, it has a high chance of reversal, and as you can see, it formed another candle over here and it started reversing, heading upwards. So ideally, it's currently the market is live. It needs to based on the trap ratio, it needs to hit the Bollinger Band. So that's what I'm expecting as part of hitting the Bollinger Band at 1047. See you.